everybody, it's me, Viviana. I'm coming to you with another cup song, because the last one I did wasn't so good, so don't look at it. I'm kidding. So, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the cup song. So, there's two ways to do it, believe it or not. They're kind of the same thing, but yeah. So, the first one is, you go like this. You clap 2 times, 1, 2. You hit the cup 3 times, 1, 2, 3. You clap 1 time. You move the cup forward, so it's like that. So 1, 2, 3. Wait, sorry. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1. Move the cup. So it's you clap 2 times. 1, 2. Hit the cup 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Clap 1 time. Pick the cup up. Move it. So that's the beginning. Let's do it again slowly. Like that. The second part is you're going to pick it up, go do like that, make a noise, put it down at the edge, don't do this, go like this. So yeah, the second part, no, it's the third part. So this is how it is. Then we stop there. Then you're going to pick it up like this, slap your hand down, do it like that. So again, that part, when you get to this part, when you have the cup like this, you pick it up with this hand like this, smack the table or the ground or wherever you are, put the cup down. So one more time again slowly. 2 times. 3 times. 1, pick it up, make a noise, at the edge, pick it up like this, smack your hand down, cup down. So it should go like this. I missed a part. I missed the clap. Wait, sorry. Act like I didn't do that. So it's like that. One more time. Again, slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, pick up. Okay. That's one way to do it. The other way is hitting the table instead of hitting the cup. So it's like this. You do the same thing. You do the same numbers. So like how we did the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's the same thing. Except you hit the table. So it's like, wish like I had a stand and I could put this on. Okay. I think you guys can see a little better now. So, this is what you do for the second part. Like, for another way to do it. You, 1, 2, hit the table 3 times. Instead of going like this, you hit the table. It makes the same beat, except it's a different way to do it. So, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, it's the same thing. So, it's like that. Then, you clap, you pick it up still. Like that. Same thing. So let's do the second way slower. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, clap, pick up, make noise. Okay? Now both of the different ways a little faster. Okay. Oh, as you can see, that way is harder for me. Let me try it. Wait. See, it's hard for me to do it that way. I'm good at doing it like this. Nah, but... Oh, I did it! Okay, so I'm going to do it both ways. But again, slower. still did it. Hope you guys liked it. If you want me to do anything more, then just subscribe. Bye.